lifestyle lovers, welcome back to It's E Lifestyle. And if you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called It's E Lifestyle, and it is all about creating the lifestyle that you love. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so this video is going to be all about how to make your home look expensive. Now keep in mind, this does not have anything to do with the cost of your home. This does not have anything to do with the square footage of your home. All of the suggestions that I'm going to be giving you on how to make your home look expensive can be incorporated into your home regardless of where you stay, regardless of how big your home is. I live in a townhome, and all of these suggestions that I'm going to give you, I have incorporated into my home. So if you are interested in ways to make your home look more expensive, feel more expensive, then keep watching. Okay, so starting with the first way to make your home look more expensive is mirrors. When you walk into places like restoration hardware, if you have ever been to a restoration hardware showroom, everything in restoration hardware is expensive and looks expensive. But if you notice, they incorporate mirrors into all of their room designs. They have mirrors in their bedroom designs. They have mirrors in their living room designs. They also have mirrors in their dining room designs. So depending on the size of your home, the bigger, the better. Now, anytime you're incorporating new things in your home, you want to definitely ensure that you follow the rule of design when it comes to scale. And scale is just simply anything that you incorporate in your space. You want to make sure that those items are comparative to the other items in the space. For instance, you don't want a teeny tiny couch with huge side tables or huge side table lamps. So you want to make sure whatever you're incorporating in your space is comparative to the other size of the items in the space. However, when it comes to mirrors, the bigger, the better. I would not follow the rule of design when it comes to mirrors, because large mirrors make your space look expensive. I have incorporated a large hexagon design type mirror into my living area, and I absolutely love this mirror. I've had this mirror for probably about 5 years now, and 5 years later I still love this mirror. It is one of the focal points of my living room. So when you walk into my living area, you do not miss this mirror because it is so large. I think it takes my space to another level. I have also incorporated a large floor mirror into my bedroom. So when it comes to mirrors, the bigger, the better. And keep in mind that mirrors reflect light, so they make the room appear bigger and brighter with the light that it reflects. This is definitely a suggestion that you want to use in your home to make your home look more expensive. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to the next thing that can make your home look expensive is fresh flowers. Incorporating fresh flowers into areas of your home just elevates your space, especially the kitchen. Why? Because it gives a more elevated feel to the home. I try to ensure that I have fresh flowers on my kitchen island at least 1 to 2 times a month. Now, when I design my floral arrangements in my kitchen, I like to stick with very fresh, light colored florals because I just like it in the bright space. But don't be afraid of color when you decide to use fresh cut florals in your home. Even if you have like a very muted background in the room, adding fresh cut florals will bring some color into the room. My favorite go-to florals for my home are hydrangeas and roses. To me, it just gives like a fresh, clean look to my kitchen. So I make sure that I incorporate fresh florals into my space at least once to twice a month. I like to add my fresh cut florals to my kitchen island, but you can also incorporate them in other spaces in your home, such as your coffee table or even a side table. But this is one of the secrets that home stagers use to stage $1 million homes. And fresh cut florals can run anywhere from $20 to $30, just depending on if you're getting them from your local florist or your local grocery store. So this is a prime example of making your home look more expensive is not rooted in what you spend. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so moving on to the next way of how to make your home seem more expensive is the aroma, the smell. Have you ever walked into someone's home and it smells so good? That is a way to make your home feel more expensive. And you don't have to spend a lot of money to do that. Now, in my particular home, I do prefer the luxury candles and the candles that are made of more natural materials. However, there are several ways in which you can elevate the smell of your home. You can use candles, you can use plug-ins. I also use diffusers throughout my home. I have one in my living room and I also have one in my bedroom. Another item that I like to incorporate in my home to make it smell really nice is reed diffusers. I do notice that when I use reed diffusers or when I use actually air diffusers, the scents are noticeable, but it's not overpowering. I really do not like overpowering scents in my home. But those are some things that I use in my home to actually make my home smell really good. Also, your floors. You can incorporate fragrance into your home by what you use on your floors. So I do have very specific cleaning items that I like to use on my floors. One of my favorite cleaning items to clean my kitchen floors is the Lysol Unstoppable. When I use this on my floors to clean my kitchen floors, I can smell this for at least 2 days after I have mopped my floor. I can tell you some scents for me can be very overpowering. So I'm very selective about what I use in my home to make it smell good. So if you are sensitive to certain scents like I am, I would recommend using essential oils. You can use them in your diffuser. I've even known for people to put them like in a spray bottle with some water and kind of spray it in the air. So there are natural alternatives that you can use to still have your home smelling amazing. Whatever you decide to use to make your home smell good, it just creates a sensory feeling when guests enter your home. And it also gives the illusion that your home is cleaner than it actually is when it smells really, really good. So in order to make your home seem more expensive, you definitely want to make sure that it smells good every single time your guests enter your home. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so the next way to make your home seem more expensive is large artwork. This is another thing that you will notice when you go in showrooms, expensive showrooms such as Restoration Hardware. They incorporate large artwork in every design that they use to design their rooms. So just about in every space in my home, I have incorporated a piece of large artwork. I have a large artwork in my kitchen. I have a large artwork in my living room, the one that you see behind me. I have large artwork in my bedroom as well. And pretty much the same concept as I stated with the mirrors. Go big and go large when it comes to your artwork if you want to make your home look more expensive. Anytime you enter a room and it has a large piece of artwork on the wall, it just adds lux to the room. And this is another thing you do not have to break the bank on. You can shop places like Home Goods that has very reasonably priced artwork. Anytime I get suggestions on where to purchase artwork from, I always tell people the furniture stores. The furniture stores are great places to purchase large scale artwork for a great price. I know you would think if you go into the furniture store it would be more expensive, but actually it's not. So my local furniture store is one of the first places that I will go in when I'm looking for very large scale artwork. Some people actually create their own artwork. I've seen people here on YouTube, they'll go get a large canvas from places like Hobby Lobby and Michael's and create their own artwork. I'm not that creative. I have to go in the store and select something, but definitely incorporate large scale artwork into your home to make it seem more expensive. If you do not have a lot of wall space in your home in order to hang large scale artwork, then you want to have more statement pieces. And this is just like unique decor pieces. And a good place to shop for unique decor statement pieces is Home Goods. These are the type of pieces that you can add to your coffee table, that you can add to your kitchen island, that you can add to your bookshelf or sofa tables or entryway tables. So if you do not have a lot of wall space in your home, then incorporate statement pieces as an alternative to the large scale artwork. And this is just really unique pieces or pieces on a larger scale, something like a conversation piece. If a guest were to enter your home and that particular piece would catch their eye, they're gonna ask you, where did you get that from? It's so unique, it's so nice. So definitely keep your eye out for unique pieces when you're looking for, you know, statement items and statement decor in order to make your home have that more expensive and that luxe feeling. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so another suggestion that I want to share with you in order to make your home seem more expensive is lighting. Incorporate lighting in every area of your home, and it does not have to be expensive. Now I will tell you, the bigger the home, the bigger the lighting, the more massive and extravagant you can go with the lighting. But when you have the standard 8-foot ceilings like I have, then I can't go as large a scale that I would like to go. However, you still can get very, very creative with your lighting, and it does not have to be expensive. Places like Home Depot, Lowe's, they have beautiful options for lighting. It does not have to be an expensive lighting store, but you definitely want to incorporate unique lighting in your space in order to elevate it and make it seem more expensive. When you are incorporating lighting into your space, you definitely want to follow the interior design rules of scale. You don't want a huge light fixture to overpower a small room. It's always better to choose a light fixture that's slightly oversized for the room opposed to a light fixture that's too small for the room. But when you think about lighting for your home, think big, think gorgeous. Think about places like Restoration Hardware. If you've ever seen their lighting in their showrooms, it is massive and it is huge. So if you have a huge home with really huge ceilings, then you have the option to select this type of lighting. But when you're incorporating lighting into your space, I would suggest to get as creative as you possibly can. Get an electrician and let them tell you what you can and cannot do. But when it comes to lighting and incorporating light fixtures in your home, the possibilities are endless. So even if you do not have the wiring to install a particular fixture, check with an electrician. They can add the specific lighting that you need. That way you can incorporate light sconces in particular places in your home. You can incorporate recessed lighting in your home. When it comes to lighting, the possibilities are endless, but you want to make sure that you focus on lighting when you're looking to make your home look more expensive, look more bright, and look more elevated. Okay, lifestyle lovers. So one of the last but not least things to make your home look more expensive, seem more expensive, is wall trim. Any type of architectural details in your home makes it seem more expensive and makes it feel more expensive. These are things that you can hire someone to do. Me in particular, as I stated, I'm not a very creative DIY type of person. So I did hire someone to come in and do wall molding in my home and trim in my home. If you are a creative person, these are things that you can incorporate in your home yourself with a DIY. You can get on YouTube and you can find out how to do it. And this is a way to make your home seem more expensive, and it's not that expensive to do. Even if you're hiring someone to do it, it's really not an expensive upgrade to add into your home. However, it elevates your home in every single way. I can show you before pictures in my home before the trim, and I can show you pictures after. And it looks like a different room when you add wall trim and molding to your home. And the possibilities of what you can do with wall trim is endless. You can go very thin, you can go with the design, you can go very thick, you can paint it different colors. The possibilities are endless, but it is a huge plus for adding a layer of luxury in a room. So this is a great suggestion if you're looking to make your home feel more expensive. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I've given you several suggestions of how you can make your home look and feel more expensive. All of the suggestions can be done on a budget. It doesn't have to cost a lot of money. You don't have to have a huge, massive house in order to incorporate these suggestions in your home. As I stated, I live in a townhome. However, I was able to incorporate everything that I have shared with you in this video in my home. It makes my home look more expensive. It makes my home feel more expensive. And I love my home, and I take pride in how it looks and how I take care of it. But that is pretty much it for this video, lifestyle lovers. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have some other suggestions that I did not mention in this video that can help make our home feel and look more expensive, make sure you leave a comment and let us know how you make your home look and feel more expensive. As always, lifestyle lovers, I hope you're having a great week, a great weekend. Whenever you're watching this, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye, y'all.